Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to complete the new party experience class in Heartopia. So right now Heartopia has a new gameplay that called Parkour Party, and in here you will get this class from the NPC Annie, and in here you must purchase several items at the pop store. You must purchase a starting rock and then a finish rock and purchase any Parkour Party building materials like this. So just go to the the pop store like this, and then just talk to him, and then just open the special home decor store like this, and then in here just purchase the starting rock like this. Just purchase it, and then just purchase the finish rock like this, and then just purchase any parkour party building materials. For example, in here I want to choose this one, and then just tap on purchase like this, and just like that your quest will be complete like this. And then after that just talk to Bobs again, and then just tap on new party experience like this. You will get the rewards from this quest, and your quest will be complete like this. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.